Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, kindly subscribe, hit that subscription button and notification button, because I talk about only premium ways of making money online. Premium ways, right? Not all the junks that we have out there on YouTube. And so today I'm going to be sharing with you 30 top tier work from home opportunities. 30 top tier work from home opportunities. I mean, this is something you can build from and that can really last from you. And let me say this before I continue. Online job is like a physical job, right? So I believe in you getting your hands on one online business, understanding everything about it, and then scaling it. The way it doesn't make sense for you to be jumping from one physical job to another, I think is also the same way that it doesn't make sense for you to be jumping from one online business to another. That's where you are not going to be doing yourself any good. It's going to be doing you a lot of disservice rather than good, right? Just because you want to make money in there and are just doing everything together. No, now that's the reason why I'm going to be bringing this to you guys. Not only I'll be sharing with you 30 top tier work from home opportunities, I'll also be explaining to you in details for the next 60 days. It's going to be one video every 2 days explaining each of these opportunities to you. Now it's safe to say that my YouTube channel is going to be like a university of online opportunities for the next 60 days. So if this is what you've been looking for, make sure you hit that subscription button, like this video, comment, turn on your notification button so you can receive notification anytime I post those videos, right? And it's very important that you comment and like so others can as well see it, and then we can together save them from the online junks of make 2 naira, make 3 naira, and some of them are not even possible, right? Some of them are not possible. So these are going to be work or move opportunities purely, not just make $5 online, make $10 online, right? Something that you can learn and then you can build from. Do you understand this? So if you're able to commit yourself to learning some of these things, and any one of them resonate with you, what I will advise that you do is that you lay your hands upon it and then you study it, you stay on it till you understand everything about it and build something that lasts with it, right? So let's check it. Now the first one is virtual assistant. I mean, just take a look at all of them. I could begin to mention them now, but I don't think that would be necessary because I will still be talking about each and every one of them, one video every 2 days for the next 60 days. I will have promised that every day, but I don't want to make a promise I'll not be able to fulfill, right? Because this is me just answering to many people that I see that they actually have interest in making money online, but they don't know how. And because there is a lot of informations out there, they don't even know the one to go for. Now I'm telling you now that what you should do is to study each and every one of it, find the one that resonates with you, the one that you think like, oh, this is me, I think I can do this, and then you stay on it until you make some sense out of it, right? And I understand all this because I've been in the digital space for the last 3 years of my life, not doing a 9 to 5 job, because I just want a kind of freedom that I know that 9 to 5 will not be able to give me. I want to have authority over my time. I want to have time for my family, and that's the era that we have now. We have the opportunity that we can choose whatever we want. Online business and physical business, online job and physical job, they are synonymous to each other. It's just about choice. Just that, yeah, online business is more of a mental work because you have to put your mind to work. You have to be ready to do things yourself. You have to be ready to be under your own authority, do the things that you want to do at the time that you said you want to do it. If you are doing a physical job, you have to you have to obey your boss, right? You have to obey your boss. Now that you are doing an online job, that you are your own boss, you must learn also how to obey yourself, right? So those are the things about working from home. But I must tell you, the last 3 years of my life has been the best. Come on, we can't actually compare it when you are your home boss. When you want to start working from home, want to do online job, or maybe you want to combine them together. It takes a level of leadership from yourself to yourself, right? It takes a level of leadership from yourself to yourself, because you can just decided to wake up one morning and said, I just want to stay on bed, I don't want to stand up, and you just keep doing that, and at the end of the day you are not making any sense out of yourself, right? So that is just it. The next 60 days I'll be committing it to teach us each and every of these work from home opportunities. So please, I'm going to say it again, kindly subscribe, turn on your notification button, make sure you like and comment on this video. Let me know if you are ready. Tell me you are ready. Just comment something. You can comment let's go, you can comment I am ready, I'm ready to learn, so other people can as well see it, and then we'll come to learn together. Comment. It's actually very safe to say that my YouTube channel is going to be a university of work from home opportunities for the next 60 days. So let's do it together, guys. I will see you in the next 2 days.